Hi guys, hope you have seen a lot of videos on cricket. This video will be giving you a different test, I believe. Specifically, the students who have opted physical education in ICSC class 9 and 10, they will be benefited a lot. If you still didn't subscribe to my channel, please do it so that you can watch the related videos of my channel. Alright, let's come to the point. First of all, we need to understand what are the areas we should know very specifically about cricket. The first point, a brief understanding about cricket. In this area, you need to specifically study or you need to specifically know a brief history of cricket where you will be understanding or you will be specifically knowing that where the cricket has been invented, uh, who invented cricket, and when it came into as international game, what is the current status of cricket, where India is belonging now, and who are the star players in cricket, and so on. And after that, the next point is fundamental skills. In these fundamental skills, there are different skills are there in cricket. Number one, batting. In batting, there are different skills like on drive, off drive, pull shot, hook shot, square cut, cover drive, and etc. In bowling, also there are different skills like in swing bowling, out swing bowling, off spin, leg spin, Yorker, full toss, and so on. If we talk about fielding, there are close catching, outfield catching, and a long barrier and throws. And in wicket keeping, there are footwork, then diving and catching. And next point, what you need to understand is the rules and regulation of cricket. Under this point, what you need to study or what you need to know specifically is that the different measurements of the cricket ground, the ball, the bat, the stumps, and the players. How does the substitution is being done? How the players are getting out? The different types of matches means different type of cricket matches. These are all different things you need to understand. After that, I'm coming to the next point that is very much important, that is associated terminologies. Associated terminologies means in while the cricket match goes on, the players on the umpires or the officials do use some terminologies that is very much relevant to the cricket, like power play, follow on, and so on. The other terminologies you need to study. There are a lot of terminologies are there you need to study. After that, there are international and national bodies of cricket. What are they? ICC is the international body, and BCCI is the national body for India. So likewise, the different countries have different governing bodies. After that, at the end, end or at the last, what you need to study or what you need to know that the different international and national tournaments. I'm mentioning a few names, but you need to study more. International game tournaments like World Cup, national tournament. If I talk about in India, is the Ranji Trophy and the Dulip Trophy and so on. So all these points, what I told, a brief history, the rules and regulation of the game, the fundamental skills and techniques of the game, associated terminologies, national and international governing bodies, national and international tournaments. everything I'll be discussing in detail in the further videos. So I'll be expecting everyone to subscribe to my channel so that you can watch the next videos, so that you will be having a concrete ideas about cricket. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if it is so, then like and share with your friends. Thank you.